Today, in this video, we will talk about how to cancel History Vault subscription on Android and iOS. So all official methods and information you can see on your screen. So let's get started. Please note, you can cancel your subscription through the platform where you originally purchased it. Unsell a subscription started on My Vizio TV. Link is in video description box. Method 1. Cancel History Vault subscription on the Google Play Store. Open the Google Play Store app. Tap the menu icon in the upper right corner. Go to Payments and Subscriptions and then Subscriptions. Select History Vault app from the list of subscriptions. Tap Cancel Subscription at the bottom. Choose a reason for canceling. Then tap Continue. Tap Cancel Subscription for confirmation. And follow the prompts. And you are done. Method 2. Cancel a History Vault premium subscription on iOS. Open the Settings app on your iPhone or other Apple devices. Tap your name or Apple ID. Tap Subscriptions. Select History Vault app from the list of apps. Tap Cancel Subscription and follow the prompts and you are done. So by using this method, you can easily cancel History Vault app subscription. Hopefully this video will helpful. If you have any questions, please make a comment. I will reply you soon. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.